Abusia mema kwaba eneso edeba enkranhye dwumedi a wota ehwe no wo Adom TV so me ediam jeso ene ni tekotego na mema kwaba no na me ka kire wo se everything happens for a reason. Everything happens for a reason. Ade e besi wabrabo mu bia ne e wo senti aye esi. It either comes as an advantage or to your disadvantage. Ade na ba ebi wo be boa ebi wo emwa na abre bia na abraba ye ebu no de be si bia no esi kosise obepe ano pomasobre na wasinkete agina no ape ano ye. If you don't get what you want, it doesn't mean everything is bad. So when to me anya ni awo pa eno nche se abrabo no enkoso ana wo de won semfata, life goes on anyway. Ni ese usua ne se obepe nyansa ne akade na wasinkete ne ene giamu na wagina wokwa no akoniye. Struggles and challenges don't have to define you. Nyoma wo fam no na enye na be kire nipa awoyo sebia nyoma enkoye sikasemu nyoma enkoye apomodinemu obo na atu ne dini me de meti pa eyo me de makoma ere nya wodia. So your struggles and your challenges don't have to define you. They are fam no nya na ese kire bia wo free ba ene awoko. It is your ability that will define who you are. Enyoma a wasua go adwen proso akade a wo na ese obobram na wogina se me ebia me your mama minim we metima gina no. So define yourself by your competences. Define yourself by your abilities. Do not define yourself by your challenges, your setbacks and disappointments. Esa wo kire mu hunu se wo nipa wo sombo wo nyansa na abegina no akokoden adinioma no so. Se wo gitumu se de ba na ye bone a gitumu papa so agitumi na mo hunu se nya wo gina mo bia no obenya ano edre. When we accept the good and the bad, we are able to appreciate and enjoy the simple day-to-day experiences in our lives. Ade betu bia nya hunu se de bone mpo papa bi wo mo betima yiri afimu ne obeka kire wo bia de betu bia nya hunu se papa bi wo mu ya betima gina no ayi ano even wo hia mpo ya papa ohia na kenya nipa emoye okope ade ya odini ahwase na manipa sode ena nkugo na me yesua ade edi emponkunim ti de betu bia na ade papa bi wo mu. In life you have to learn to let go certain things. Nembo ho ase ujamu nembo onso ase wode hye wakoma mu abufuo se ujamu awere ho ase ujamu ena atete ana ase wunwinwi ase ujamu sa nyoma we atenka ka wo hye abufuo awere ho ana ase wunwinwi aya atenka eka wo hye na mo pa nigye e wo dan hia dem ne se benya ne sa nanso nwa kire wo no ena wo hia empo se wadwum beda ho yie na adwemu na ho yie enyina so ne enegye obi ana enegye bia na adwemu da ho fan dempo asambeto na wo dwendwen na wo tete na hanhan na ayerehwo ne abufuo efa no mumu a esi wadwene mu kwan na wo nya neoma a de be ya neoma no entempo da hia dem no ena ese wo gya ayerehwo mu na apede se fata se enegye ene empo akono papa you kind of positive thinking to abrabom. The experiences you go through open up your strengths. There are two bia na be kire wo mre yo ani suban pa obetime yi agina no kanya de two ya ka unim sese bimpo unim sa suban we se ekomba ene epekwan fa so egina ebu okom so enti asem ne ba ye nyina asem no so enkase media mawio mabrabo abawie ne sa. Do not let your circumstances define you. Nya wo fam no manon kire wo suban me de me hiani o me de me semfata o me de no, don't say that. We nipa so opa akade na timi gira no a obetimi ayeye abrabo ayebu no eye enkoja ne afone sane mamenka biom abrabo eye enkoja afone sane to bia be fura kosoro tere bia be bafom tere bia owia be bo tere bia nsuo be to tere bia be koyie tere bia so nkoyie abrabo nye totensa fa we tu kotodwa na hunu se de tie bia no abrabo ye wa hwase mre ene wo mra ye gina ho nanso so memo wa hwase empo ena da anye yi no enkyere nipa wo yo sanko yi a catch us I'll do my best to roll out of this too meye ne sefata na me free we mu free yourself from limiting beliefs memma ne bia wogi die fa ho no anya adwuma me de we de me nko school da we de me de say na e no me de me wo ba entidie me de me sebe nkrani me ganji mi ala onya agboboto amanye ala me de me akani we de ye de yentimi nya woboa ba bia wo free enkyere nya betimi ayo nya betimi ayo nyina so ene nioma wo de hye ho nkunan enti sa gidi na dato adwen po se wo de sebe ganyojibo ana wo agboboto onye ana me de me akani no fatu ba bi na nyina hu se wo nipa wo ye wo ni a otimi ye papa na sa gidi na ka wo hye no jemu as you work towards what you want to have you will gather what you can do to get what you want so we see nkete ehunu ni abetimi aya o hye ho nkran a ahoden abetimi adi nioma so no ebeba automatically you need to inspire yourselves because I believe that life will come with challenges abrabo akonsidie wo ho so transform your beliefs nioma wogi tumu sesa na wote ne semu transform the way you act saka nioma wotayemu and transform your thoughts saka kwa a wo fa so adwene ho abrabo a wo be obi ntimi nsakra mu ma wo gese wankasa simple obi ma osika se fa bubra won kire kwa ba fa so yusu sika no wona ade sika no be bubra na empo nya mfaso onyankopon ama nkwa ama omre won kire na ade won nkwa no omre beye wona ese wo pen nioma a wode won nkwa no omre beyo enti abrabo ye nyina babo mu nsu se stobre mu ene ye ni awurusi abribiara abribia se opa kade sa bo atatia ya wo bo wadu anano ewo empo da rena buso na da hia dem wonya bi adi entwen emensu tobre nu asewasi wudan onyame enka ho onyame ema nyansa obebubra sansa abrabo ebu emu ode keke se wonya abrabo akande a abrabo emu ode abrabo mu enye duhwa na enye de aha na meja wo ediam je so ni tekotego me da dwumafo o ne bu a me de dwumadi ba ho nyina me kan maka se wo be kampedu enempo Priscilla nyame nhira mu nyinara edin nyam je so ni tekotego wo no nyame entina
Ora ni tekotego yedase yesera de se omaya abrabo mu akade na abrabo nya yede na ya anwen bone na emum yetumi aboa foforo so yedase abusia mema mu nyina ache yede ahia ewo bedwam dwumade so fi se nanso nyame ede ache ye kita onsa bosome no ne nafu adumiensa eye ene ukuade yede ahia na bedwam kase no ena mede to aso de afi ora ni tekotego futusem ene ne nkrashe sem ne so na kase nim no de obeti wo mbe ne se achachra for no strike na wo moje kola fi aban ho no se emu yira na yire fi se okosuku ahodo ni mu a na achese nkrashe bia eni ehonom na ebie wo nso obete ene se PSW for ene de efutuo ama aban se kola anase strike onyi baako enti se na ebekọ akonsi bia no eno so monhwemu ewo bedwam kase mu ano pay mede esmo mede de ma metra diamond memoache afei mehase se wukosuku ahodo mu a adekere ne adesua nkoso esukufo no ani atutu atọ won sam te sam ofra bia wo na anase wo moja efrimu ni nyina akowie akyekyerefoɔ no etuate a wo mo ate se wo gede wo frɛ no sekola no ede afi aban enkyɛn kwadwomensa brampa aprobo a wokoye no sei enokohuye efa suku sem fa adekere ene adesua ho
ni echiche ni anti ti yesre ku fa de se onsa eyoma teachers for ensemble school back na omo be kire ya de esre no onti teachers for ni ka se na teachers for subetimi aba school aba be kire ya de
your curriculum no so we see cultural exams e form 2 intino ebema ya kwetwe academic performances
see our teachers ni nyoma no omo ped sia no 20% no mu hia sia no mo fa nka ho na be my teachers in the because young candidates in the teachers in CCR or some plan on bachelor.
Nanso ebra wokopie mu e wo St Thomas Aquinas SHS no okohun se adesuafo a wonum egina form 3 no wonum a wogina form 2 no ehwe won so na wo tro enso hwe
no ni se enya di papa if say form 3 school mu ko tro wasi na ye di strike about e be disturb am steady
mam nanso ye form 2 so no ye de ye tro exams enti ye wonu bibi normal because some of cheers no moon back class nanso form 3 no e be assist here your tro exams
but who say yeah ma kwan last semester no yan tro exams nti afina e be tro exams no and na teachers no almost omo strike enti like I say basa bi won nti yeah tro exams no crime vigilators yeah vigilators.
Na sa achechefo binum womochi atie yimo na Public Sector Workers Union a otwaniti ase PSW a womo share Trade Union Congress ase ede afutusem ema omampani adodanko akufo adose se de akwakoye no the cost of living allowance no se obetua anasa achechefo no bekoso a wo atua tie mu no womo ama no efisa breya de kosikita onsabosome no ne nafu adonkro mechere July 19 se hweyansi dia ene strike no so ebekoso sansemi onipa woda no die eye churchofo pani edema PSW Benadeje
yen shemu no eteki decisions and submitting we notice eba nti enye se ebia yenim se ya frɛ meeting bi eni na ye declare strike ye mum ye fi se omuti se ya ye meeting a bibi beninti eno omudi mrika ahihye meeting we bia wo so ka efika so a adenta anashal buchwe ebejuma ewon krakremu na okoba de odubeto duane edi ahwe ne yire ne nimma de odubetu rent mbae water electricity ani de akeka ho ni nyina mbae sebe omo shekakra nti ebre nyina nkrofo ebre nti no musi debi e wo se yehwe na aban ayehu bidubi cheye meeting no abawiye no decisions a omuteki ye ni say se niamamu ayedia say a aban penyimfo eye omuniama ani expenditures ni niama yeye okuremu no enkyere se niamamu ayedin anka niamamu ayedin pa anka niama bi a aban no mu fees anka wo se aban eden atwentwan so ana eteso ma dia ese no yehwe na yeye se niama yeye a na dia fata no ya yeden yakoso aye ntia de ya bomodian se ya be chirechire mu a kire won nanso ya members ni se omu so mu wo kuro yi mu omu hunia ekoso nti de omu kan ne se enye salary increase na ye bisa 2023 negotiations wo ya be nanso se si ade ye bre inflation no kwa na ekoso mini wo ka se ikra agusu ayeden ekoso nti se si ano edu bebia public sector workers no yentumi bio nti wo se aban ye bibi
enti adechirani adesua enkoso yi na aban mu mpanifo eye senka wo mo ne achechefo ekwa akosi nkonya na de enayie no wo mo de atoyie na nso nkonya sienim no anso ababia enti wo mo asan etu ahyeda.
Our negotiation has come inconclusive and we are still on strike. Thank you very much.
Mr. President, when you say it has come we are still on strike. That's all that he has said. We don't want to give any further detail.
But boycotting the meeting
no, we are not boycotting the meeting. There are other people still in there.
But why are you leaving?
That one we'll talk to you about it later. But for now, the strike is still in force and it ends there.
But I understand that you were given an initial offer. Is that true? Is that something you can confirm? For which some other groups are agreeing to that? We cannot say
anything now. All that we can say is what the NAT president have said. Negotiations are inconclusive and teachers strike. The teachers' educational sector strike is still on.
It's ongoing. Okay, so you cannot confirm that you were given an initial offer for which some other groups are accepting it and you don't want to accept it. Okay, so we just heard that from.
Meaning what?
Yes. They do not want to welcome us to this meeting, and we cannot begrudge them. So that is why we are walking out.
When you say they don't want to welcome you, but you were in there and they walked in and...
Yes, we received invitation under organized labor, and we are part of organized labor.
They are indicating and asking us to call off our strike before negotiations begin.
Exactly.
So what it means is that the government side is not ready to continue negotiations unless the teacher unions call off strike. They've held all organized labor hostage.
After Yenfia Church for Nicola and a strike a Hons and Seminole concern from na call a Wutu Breku Mensin na court a wohono aqua setna ama a ra and now nam ni 2 minutes in him dear so tonight dream Naomi Konto. Asha says Sabem was a brantia wedding for share at 22. Na ni din ene mawunya ejei a wone ne now for binum to say Benjamin Aqua eka won tribo muma wo kokun sa o kada ni abrante no won fa no enkonkoto afiase sa semi adom kase abon ho amane dada se esi wo ewutu bontrase
na yewu se akwada no yede ne kwa remand enti me se aban afri ne dwumedi ase aban ne esebia no omune nenye eme se obaku bia oka ho no insan kan no ye enti ye bebo aban na ye nsa aka no na ban ni nadi se ne se nkwada na aba no nkwada no ye hu ne omo ye ne omo ho a ani mra ne nse
na nyina mu no Mensini Krache wa Wutu Senya West Stephen Kwame Kwei ade ato Ghana police no ene ka bi wumufu nyina enim se won hyase ne woyen hwehwemu emfa kwan a emabunu bie fa so enya sika ewo me
abomodin se security wise no ye hwe kwan ye be fa so dissect enhia na won involve traditional authorities no so na ye hwe kwan ye be fa so a ye besi ano because ne ahya asie yamfa enoma bi engu akwan mu a eye hu pa ye nyina ye humai esan se ye nyina enim ya tete sania obi fa kwan bi so menka se sakawai bi no mo akokoye ne mmom ye nyina enim se bibi sa esi a obi ohokora pa onye dwuma bia wakofa kwan bone so sania news na meti obi ati obi akoma omde daka akasem ne de na echa se men suspect obi ade but ne misusu ni se yemfa no mebi ngu akwan mu
asamode ba ko asi wo my Ghana ene se ahyen a anka kobedi enti ya na enya akwanhia wo memu no afi we de no de toto pepombo so me besi aya homomo anase January kosi June no anache se so atepa na emomo no amane boni hwehwemu no so kire se won wa okura wankasa nkasa ahyen a ye friend se private cars no eno eta enya akwanhia echen de wode botrotra na se ode tukwan a ofriend se commercial cars no
de yedigu akwemu pa ye campaign soronko a your friend no stay alive ye shase ewo arrive alive 2020 numu na ebedu 2021 ye de ba stay alive media Ghana media bebre aso yen hase wo hwe Adom FM say ya mo so red aso ginei she stay alive no mu joy omode she into we show road safety awareness no from over the years for like 45-50% no akwa about 85 into awareness na akosoro ama ni party asem na ye hu say statistics no che so omode ye ejuma
Adom TV ya mana nso ho a ye sanso ene ahyemkafo bi ekotwetwe nkomo bisa se sese akonhia eba fom no womu susu no edien na womu eye ewo womu afa ne de womu so de betudwa ebekoso abrase momientie nsem bia womu de to Adom TV enim ni bi
tama ekoba ise accident risk serious ni ade no ema yanga ye leaders wo transport unions mu no ye nibre aha in particular every morning bia 6:30 am ye roko na ya ni adrafu na kase seriously where we nim na wrong overtaking and next overspeeding passenger be report baako ebien ye fa ohonchewo
cabin boss potomo kokomu na kan sama soto da ho 3 days da bi etwa manaka ne si ho obi ahwe obi adu anu abisa hu samran so da wa
ma accident ne ba
ne ta back front ane bo potom na am ne bui se poto ni wo there aga ofia ase to hwe akwana se no create more portals many a times so the carefulness kwan bi kura ye so accident to me see but ni nyina say nipa nyina benya to buase drafu nyina benya to buase
Enra ewo East Legon abonte so baby no de na wotia any bulldozer ehyen a esu na nani abere a adan bi na wodwurugo ene se Greekofo se enipa bi wo hono ma baby a wo mo abo won sese ewo won post akese na se no se wo mo ntu wo mo afiri ho a ochena bi asem a de beba no enya sem papa nti ene eneyi a wo ma hyase adwuri saafo no nyina adan no agu ekoba na sa no saafo no dabre mu ayere nanso Greekofo se etwa se wo ye ne sa ansa na de atoyere nchem kase bi abre saafo na wo motete miaye bi etesa no
kroni mu pa se o ma se ye containers ni ye niama nyina ye hu bebia ye beko mi tonsio nsuo wo fridge no o amanfo eba na o mu be yiyi se o ma se mi fridge o ma se containers no se mi ni bebia akọ bu ya we hwenkwala ketu egu ha hwe me ba ti ye me ba ti ye ma bu mi kia o me akwala 2 years
Adom kase ene East Legon Artisans Association atwetwen enkomo na wono mo adi nkyeremu sei ene tuja
atana achepa omodi kan ba yeso wa asa emno be tension new one kura no Greek openi na nkasa tu ka ba announcement ka kire se line ntino yemma ye space no mutumi ntwa mo line no na ha de mema ye mbo container bia wo adenase na yefitafo de is allowed to do our work yesu yo yate agye atum amachi for go ga frame se nkofo na ba o and not a holiday, Obiani ha, ye buy our Mabascata Haina.
You see, I want to see a connection by Srianka by Hamnachi, 1 but 2. I took us now. The point in the say, some of the cars were had there. Yes, you're gonna for. You see to trans me.
Jim Trainee Penny Edema National Democratic Congress, Mr. National Chairman, Dema NDC, and a Samuel for Sue Ample for Ena Waton Cradia Ma Adanko Kufado and Aban say, one will share ye na IMF or Mokono, one more Fanko Toma, no say NDC for Tatawum, and nothing so IMF for no she be a bit to me a bois ama a free senior high school at Ecosono, and shall not banya Kwakuchum was Saturday and a day, a banasa, a behadrin.
They should not use IMF and NDC as a scapegoat when they are facing their own challenges. And nkwalano enye duanindi na ene omaye school basa na yesi red for na green for betna fi me madam ba ko ne ba ko school oko eni ba bo so me kro ba say ma onfran betna fi ba 2 months or 3 months. What kind of education system are we running? Until they have messed up everything.
Samuel Ofuswampo for our yedrum tinenia wada NDC amanyuku na no assign so edi atuja say school system as say egu no ehu behia say ni manimu ya no obe bibi edi afa ho.
Entenche wonafi. NDC has superior alternative ideas and policies. Ohwe ye people's manifesto. Ye de ba ya na agenda for rescue mission na. And now we are fine-tuning it to reflect the challenges of the day. Now, a living document, I bet me addressing the challenges that the country is facing.
Womrashibe fie so edom kuma ewo hono ena ede kokobo a anu ode pa edema electoral commission say womuhwe yie ena edu edinchira wo ba betro de ato mfempimienu ne aduonu enai abato na Ghana card kon no wo ankwa ankofa se no ena obegina so ede betro din.
Our understanding is that the electoral commission is seeking to make the national ID card the only source of justification to register onto the voter ID card as their basis, the voter register. I repeat it, the Electoral Commission is seeking through a constitutional instrument that may come before Parliament, the Subsidiary Legislative Committee and Parliament as an institution to replace the voter register of 2020 and to make the requirement for getting onto the voter register the national ID card as the sole reference document and justification to get onto the national voter register. Our concern primarily is that in the past, since 1993, voter registration exercises that have been undertaken, you normally have the provision of a guarantor.
Badwam kaseɛ no esi ne mum badwam asomfo no nyinaa ya krado anopesta ane Elizabeth Omari omochi enim kama ya kafo nso de afiefiem aba bedu ahanum say director ya krado Maule Priscilla ene enuanom nyinaa eboa sound for camera for mrante ne nyinaa na etwa ye a onso afiefiem hu ye wo TV so na sound no so nti ote yenka enkane so omo asosiesie so ye do omo nyina se na won so a woni ye cha adaje no anopei ehwe bedwam no ye da sedododo ye ni estopa anti anopei mene kwasensia ye de bedwam no edikan asomo sedwumadie no ahyase medin de ma metra diamond kwasim pacho mache
bejo so
na pom to say
boko na nso e
nyamedom eye
watare ye me fe
medase
we dem say efrechire ne bae
efrechire he ya tuti pupu anu a obi edi
o ne nipa kra ya de nipa kra me hwe na me se bia amano ne ntare bi na aba betomu
se de etie bia no de etie ne se wiase no de di ulem na ti pupu anu a obi edi because eto da bi kra na enye ko obi mpo
oh na amane bi ne dem
just do ulem mu keke na ya me mo a enu anu no
ba se bia hye ye de
ade ya me say no complain eye ade a chon no nyame na anim kon obefa so a obedaadan wo a o chefa ewom de eye de enye o de chirimo popa e bata ho a ento sa de san ebedu no nyame be ma ne nsa so
amen
amen
yeda say Reverend Diamond that makes that now no pay first story a story about could be about say car kwehye swati em say ye
yasebode
enura so awrewo semu a e free kumasen kran kwan so ba efa abanam senior wo bibie ni anwa so be kwan say so no wo free enkran akọ na baton pesua so one driver konya kan kwehye ma no so enura na o ma free mu
asemu
na unim ne ma asem kwa ya awrewo ye say enura MMDCs no ene mampani won hyemde bi omudi e won kra hanom ense papa eti hyemde ase a lady ebeto dwa say enne ne manfo peso mo ye oye kire eti MC wo tuhwa na wako ene say
no akopata wom oh
akoshia shia ne kofri kwemu wona
wow
mami kwa man so da ko di komo mra na ja e fa we eto asom
mpacho di komo bra
yes enra se obekaya achechirefo ene ekudu omate atua ene abampanfo konkunyese se ne kasebo no echira no peya no but inshemde no anwie peyo because achechirefo no e work out die tire momo e work out no enje kabono eye titeni e de ema nagrat ekona crowd here kai wacha do pay eba bedwem Adom TV so okay ti ma yenhwe eye enrabra enhyemde no eba na wie no ya entimi anwie pay no Deputy Minister for Labor Relations and Employment Bright Rekubrobe echire mu kire nsentwefo de kofa ba ye ntiama sa enhyemde no entimi anwie pay yo yenhwe no mra se
This afternoon, July 12, 2022, a delegation of government officials in fulfillment of the promise made by His Excellency the President during the Eid celebrations sought to meet and negotiate with organized labor in the matter of request of cost of living allowance, COLA. At the commencement of the meeting, the government delegation sought to exclusively meet with particularly the
okay yebeko eye openi Bright Rekubrobe ensem ne so ne kwa omanso na ye ne titire ni edema nagrat ekonora enje kabono ekodi wakrate yake mo acha pay eba bedwam dwumade so Adom TV.
Hello, I can't hear you.
Obano timenka
Maybe the volume is very low.
Wow. Afere bacho ya kakra.
Maybe very, very low. It's very, very faint. Wow. Can they increase the volume a bit?
Openi Angel Kabono, afere mapejam voice mi kakra. Emuye.
Okay, let's try. Let's try. Yeah.
Eno tia wadie na ema teacher unions here mo call enhyemde na se no mo work it out.
Well, you call meeting, the ministers who can minister for national security, minister for education, minister for employment and labor relations, deputy minister for finance, deputy minister for employment relations, and all their teams. They decided that before, and all public sector workers were there. And so we all thought that the moment they came, we were just going to start negotiations. I mean, this is a negotiation where you put your percentage down. We either accept or this is not the normal negotiation of salary. This is a cola negotiation. So we thought within 30 minutes we should be done. Then they introduced something that was very strange to everybody. That teacher unions aside. And I all them also know. In Shema, I have first year, and yet teacher unions in Shema. It is a meeting for organized labor, of which we are part. We are part, a subset of organized labor. So Yabano, and your teacher from Krana, leading discussion, a leadership of organized labor that will now take over the leader. So we a organized labor meeting. How do you bring organized labor to a meeting and then you start putting people outside? It will raise suspicion. So I say it is not the right thing. They cannot start negotiating when a union is on strike. And we say, look, the last time we met was last Friday. You appealed to us to call off the strike. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and even yesterday morning, one to me and Freya and CIA. Now you have organized labor and I'm about Freya to find out the outcome of your appeal. We think it is not appropriate. And Omubisa say, okay, Omupi over 1.5 hours. They were not coming back. Now, labor, waiting for them. I do maybe who say, okay, well, if they want to say the teacher group, unless they call off the strike, they can't meet. Then the teacher group, MPA, so that they can come and meet the others. And do maybe crowd the other unions is okay. If this is what we are going to do, in the moment outside, then declare national strike of all labor unions. Because the way the ministers were behaving was very, very strange. So, and I call. Later we heard that all other labor unions also PA. So the negotiation did not even start because of this matter.
Okay. But we are aware, say, before a Bible to me any Najumefo akonkunyesia kasebiano. I was say a chiatebi or matibia amamra quasunum. A chiatene banavier and son has had discussion or akos too. And now Bright Rekubre, Deputy Minister for Employment and Labor Relations, say, a drew by been a more labor unions requested Samu Pesamu Mwakasamu inner circle meeting be a Tomono MP. So at what point the Koba said, or Mudi Pium could be more than 1.5 hours or Mwamba?
Your car say a bay inner meeting, your catcher will say our inner meeting 5 minutes.
Okay.
So, yes, so after the 5 minutes, your call your coffee or mono. No, Musu say omo ye meeting. And then it take him more than 1.5 hours or more by a PA.
But say when you aware say a yamamra say before say negotiation be because some call it off strike now. Dear na emana ye den dia ma labor union say be call it off strike for now no more tie the abampen for e what the mamo.
Well, in the first place, and yet teacher unions nkwana Mubabesia. So are you saying that the teacher unions or striker demands are all other labor unions you make it move a Is that what they are saying?
Kakra ye tifrimo say Mumudian 1 ena sauka so hwemu ye pa edi kan ebaye. 2 the situation at hand with ye mofra ne omoda so school mu na yenya cheche for mo nkyere mo ade no ya ade aban chemu a tititi go free sen kamo mu de no otimi to na mo entmade aka because ne mu bisa de nyina no virtually nyina the same etika ensure de begu akwam de ama like say no be begu akwam e de ama mu nnuanom enkaye de na ma ne difficult say especially teachers we call it off strike na matie ne aban panfo ewo e de mamo na bibi wo no matimi atekino a step further.
Well, Ochina me example, Ochina one and unions be say mienu ananye sabeko strike.
Abeka mo makoda dan ho.
Yes, Ochina.
Unions be no.
Odi Ochina. Ubeti me yomu spokesperson to me bomb di. Ochina unions mienu ananye sabeko strike abeka.
Asamba kwa aban empenfo eka say it looks as if the teachers munye fair to aban. Ye nyina kai say COVID ebaye mutena fie for almost 9 months aban ekosu chiaboka ene aban so aba bedum pempenso bu ne sika sam hye mu a ene manhyeda enyina so ye emfa ma no na se mo pe bibi de afiro na se wonya nyaaya asa mo box aban e na hye ba bia ebi mo ye den e de ama no teacher unions mo so we mo say
in the first place it is not true. There's COVID by and a teacher for tonight 9 months. And it is not true. Number 2, COVID by some fresh schools and back to schools. Among Bisa Director General, understanding about between teacher unions and the Ghana Education Service. One, is it not is bright, we're not aware. Said you move the teaching hours in school from 1:30 to 4:30. On your aware now. Is he also not aware? Said a period of 40 minutes. He said I earn 1 hour. Is he not aware? On your aware, say teachers have been teaching all year round. Semester system now mudi buy. A semester is supposed to be 4 months. So first semester 4 months, second semester 4 months, I am 8 months. How many months do we have in the year? 12 months. So the other remaining months, as I say, teacher any break. What are we seeing? Do you see any break for 4 months, which is 16 weeks? No. So the Omokano, they don't even know the arrangement we have entered with the Ghana. You see, people sit aloof at places. I expect, say, before somebody makes a statement, now I can verify. Then you have demonstrable evidence before you open your mouth and talk. People do not just get up and say anything that they want to say.
Are you willing to honor another invitation?
Run in the schools.
Are you willing to honor another invitation from Abain?
Am I willing to do what?
Honor another invitation from Abain.
Well, look, we are workers. If you invite us, we will come.
Okay.
When we come, we will state our position.
Okay. Mate, you better see piano pay so when you break any action and whatever penny to say, Yaneka say, Eric. Angel Kabonu on the training at the National Association of Graduate Teachers. Eti lady, omotu atiende. Baby edi akwa kwesi. No.
Okay, inti wode kokobo ba ko nso abase yen hwe nim se afoforo nso beti achia ne.
Yeah, we kotu ebeka ho.
Yo. Okay. Eti mpacho member online also tell emfa marshfo na the dahanum saying it said the earliest Ghana could get an IMF deal is first quarter of 2023. Enti we no yenuanom myjoyonline.com na ebo amane finance minister efoni ebata ho say IMF no kura Ghana aba beko no say ebenya mwa no kura firi ho ade dikan kura ebeba no afia yebesim no ne first quarter. Enti eno eho ensem no no say 10,000 bags of sugar and 60,000 bags of rice ready for supply to schools. Education Ministry no ena ebo samane kwesi
lady mamifa Ghana Times the bokata and twaso tell. I say let's focus on influencing global economic order. President Kufuor urges African leaders IMF program should not affect free SHS. Child Rights International Force na can say immigration personnel put on high alert on Ghana Burkina Faso border at Moknori to avert terrorist attack. Ghanaian Times and the way by a daily graphic quick one or say or the Stephen Ayensu in Timfoni Abba Stephen Asamoah Boa Timfoni Enye George Kwabena Abba Kwansu Foni Mpenifu nyina epe national chairman Ibre ewo NPP Amayukom. Daily graphic report say who wins NPP chairmanship contest. 3 emerged front runners, 6,730 delegates to decide fate. Government retreat discuss way forward for economy. Daily graphic and anyway eba anope lady.
Mediadomonline.com ne so to aso ade wahanum say no enya hum kasem and say galamsey pit kills 2 miners at Manso Muano. Na che say yekope bibia bedi ene me beye den ene namu a asie ewo ahanum say ba konso e fa enhomasua ehonsem no say don't blame education minister for food shortages in schools. Enti edu watch for ene kase so bi wo sobo bi a wode ebebo ne enti esukuu fo nya nuane ni a enye soafo no a woda enhomasua anono ene sese o mafo tenete wonsa ewo ne so enti no so ho asem ewo ahanum say na ba ko eno ye de aye kase ebo no ama odada fiti Enra any nyina eye grid core demolishes illegal structures and the high tension lines at Baoleshi. Enti enonso eye de eka ensema hodo a ewo adomonline.com anopay ema watch no be enono. Kwasi?
Lady Marifa way na yemfanwe. The Daily Statesman Stephen Ayensu in team Efone ewa or say in team calls for clean campaign among aspirants. I think so far so good. Omaya dear. Campaign there aye clean kakra pass compared to previous primaries apart to the ACO. Supply of food to senior high schools commences. The rich must pay. Austin Gami and I can say for free SHS. Osinyame adom na so sikam kwa dia osi making sure say yema wo etwia se na be ye kan bebre na enko aban so. Question so aban bisa over the years near say how do you determine somebody is rich? How sustainable would that rich be? And they say it to say Diamond and no year more Adom TV. Ochina onye more Adom TV abende. Yes, I'm back just a Diamond. Now yet more Adom TV in tea, school fees. And now we want to mention na question ja emo evisa and a daily statement. And anyway ban anope.
And the ye statement so na ye de see ahanum say wo de bonkrata no na poso ne online no afeedi de so eba wakwan no eye agokansie ho nsem bejam dwumade bekoso asomo akosi se anopa no nkono ebebo ene ye ntena na ene efisem no so enra nkomo a ye di ye efa ye maame no mu asabi woni pedua ho ba bia tochimenti ya na ebinum efa wonfo sebe meka ne sa no ye bedum wasuko ne ahwese ehefo ne sese saafo no mo wani eku won ho na wode nimdie bi eto won tirim na ma obi kura mpo pese wo fa won sa kwan no so a anya fofofo sa enida hobi etumi aba ho ene ye nkomode no ntikoso asha Adom TV me de surface komo cheche no ebesomo bedwam enso bekoso asomo ene mpensem kosi se no krobebo ene so eye ukuada anti sister o ode ahosepe no ebebro medase
Akwaba kese bi on ba Adom TV so Adom TV so be dwonjomedi so dia wo kan si on sempa esa kan no pen so ja medin di Enoch Kwesi Wolanyo Wallace agudie catch back up the only nomenclature the professors degree in sports the Al Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and medicine kunya ekon quantum coordinates mawdo esa kan no pen so e wo Ghana agudie 18 jaw chene so ma mse nwuma komiensa wo na bo miska dwetri etach abo me de sanche so kwetne jaw yedi kan plan one expert. I've always told you that betting is better than sakawa bet there we try to be for and I didn't be for trying to kuma bi adinu kuma sa manum abusua se op bet there na hwese ne Mexico so na person de keto akwaje kese sika ko na shem pass abusua de asase bi agya enye hwe de da ho saa obetua tabia akoton fani na ko guso etwa ne befu se bia obetua sedin befu emom bet with money that you can afford to lose sika editwa light bill editwa danka editwa school fees editwa hospital ye mfa ntwa bet nye sa bet di wa waso betua hye utiri betua sabom na mum redraw 90% of winnings no anytime bia betua se di no emotion so am say greediness is witchcraft and sorcery ye ka anibere pa dia e wo bet timti wan hwe na di anibere so saa so a bet betua se di ukra saa nkomo nyina chi na still pursue twa bet na umu adia 1x bet ani di wada se dia modern da utwa no before obedi no before Jeffas health minister e de Jeffas do ta hwe no ana etachi Jeffas do yi mema nom e ma so no modern da so betua ka bi infections awuro bi an saka bia unya Jeffas bi abobobi betia boa prapra harawa no mrebo ho amoetua se di nchina che se gonorrhea syphilis candidiasis fetal white and so dipo a prapra chi se kama so guys are hwese no Mexico so ho nkuyi a on setimi ka Jeffas bi betia saboa na no kwesela no paso dem adanse msi only Jeffas can save omodin da so sabetia kedro bi ukọ herbal shops ni pharmaceutical shops imu a ebetia boa amaniama atutuyi ediama sanso ana meka for Sedimo gel and roll-on ediama your ultimate pain relieving gel ana medi one dance ediama no omodin da so sabetia kabi se osisi udwonku widiem ba bia oti ya bia Sedimo gel and roll-on ebetia sabo to ya na sese hom amaniama etia ko ediama kwa shama main market na fetema enye na ho kra betia from ewo 0208986731 na on Sedimo gel and roll-on yɛntwetwe nkomo yɛnhwɛmmoa amaniama 2022 yɛmfama we mu nnada na akomutia fam ho na yɛde awokansi hu sempa saka na no penso ejao a journey of 1,000 kilometers begins with very first step yɛnhyase emfamfi the world cup the senior national soccer team Black Stars of Ghana na saying ohuma clubs na sign players wa boche no yɛnso yɛ sign players aba national team na de tesa abakra no Naki Williams a wetimi agepene abo ne tinko sɛ nyame adoma wa bisia kan de ama the senior national soccer team Black Stars of Ghana na sa players here o magepene so bisia kama Ghana no se na manfo wo mo twetwede nyasem keto kwesa se Ghana fo de hye wukrum ha o mo so bobo bruta manfo gidi pass o mo so nyasa kunya na ebetua san boa ntinkebe a Ghana Football Association fo mpemfo endi kan enye preparations na se nyama ebetua boa ema football no etua san tumpon wukrum ha we na Fred Papo former vice president of the Ghana Football Association odna no atum se ampa sa players here be na no kweri nyame nim Ghana san mo de na so nyame adoma wo mo ebetua jasefa wo mo krishi wo game man sana wo mo nya kunya Asia kan edi amada senior national soccer team Black Stars of Ghana a World Cup akwentu kesi.
I've been hearing people say monkey they work, baboon they chop. It's a bit unfair. It's like trying to generate sentiments against those who are coming in. I don't think that's really the case. In a football game, we show 11 players start. For the Black Stars, you have 12 on the bench. That is how it has been for quite some time now. If you look at our team per se, you realize you even sitting there, you can pick a core 10 or so players who play fairly regularly. And in the same way, I'm sure you can pick about 12 or 15 or so players who come in and maybe they spend time on the bench. They get time to play about 5 or 10 minutes. They didn't work about 2 or 3 matches on bet me about, but they never get a chance to play. So what we are saying is, if these boys are coming in, they have the chance to compete not only with those who are playing regularly or those we know who play regularly, but even those we keep on our bench. Well,
Nti Ura Fred Papo former vice president of the Ghana Football Association question the champion so and ni odene nkomo 18 senja se amafo nkomo komanto mi sa place ya bai omuna echiro mobra no benya kwan sia kan mo enchiro mobra o metra treche sa ne abo nsem de amom omdwumedi a omugusu gimu but Sule Aliu Muntari the prodigal son who is here to become the profitable saint ono so sia kan the mahas of folk na sentem ne bone mo kakra bi oda ne di no amafo dodo na na Sule fans Sule national team no wrestling Messi kwa tunsa de fena obetimi agina Messi akansi ampenia pa Sule Muntari nso de nkomo kakra twensa but so willing so Messi akan wa contribute to the quota to the national team empo se ko ba se ne nan nyina kura bubu na hye crutches ma obegina ne na so asi akan e de amada senior national soccer team Black Stars of Ghana adenti na Sule e kan see Saturday.
How much do you miss the national team and are you ready for that?
Well, missing, of course, it's Ghana. Even if I'm in my crutches today and they ask me to come help, definitely I'm going to run and go. Even if I can play, I'll sit there and contribute, you know. The thing is that I can't sit down seeing my country go down. It's the serious passion that I have for football. Whatever I do, what that I do, I put everything in because I always want to win. And you see the love that is around the people, the market women, the sick ones, and people around the street, they cheer your name and everything. They don't want anything. They just give you that love. So why don't you give it back by putting the effort and making them happy? So that's basically things that I do. And House of Folk fans have been amazing.
Isule Ali Mutari and Atene Castle didn't come 18th century and Ukrainian men Sule Simon across the Fukuno were demonstrating quite an impeccable character or Omakachia. Among for Dona Eman fans from Rabat Uko White paper report 18th PM Memra, Eddie Niche Brazil now Sule Ali Mutari Western Mexico Samusi Samapaka, the then Black Stars Management Committee, the tradition Tamum Fudu for Papana, then Yasan Ketua quarantine pen 4 years, Sule Mutari, Monfa Chopu more than a pint and Samara Muntintimus and Funkrataso. Emra commissioner kra hwehwe omna ne omakasa kra o ewo camera mu kra no enya dia otime san twinity wo ho besi sabiri san hyehye no empemfo nkan ye ntom Sule Mutari so besi akande national team party white paper report je se sa akonya no oni biu na so ne empemfo so wo ne tikwa ono kasa edna no so atuen san tum wazo fofu akache no Sule Mutari se ne contract with Asofuk no aba na wiye nyame adoma se benya do ejana nto aso ne kunwa sena pebuli nti wo hwe nim se obetuen san to aso no obo adwuma e de aboa Hearts
lost their title, but they won the FA Cup, so they'll be venturing into Africa. How ready are you for Africa?
Well, I've been talking with the president and the members also. I had only 6 months contract with House of Folk, but I want to renew it. Renew it meaning I want to be part of the African campaign. To experience it, one, also to help make House of Folk attractive.
And Sule Ali Mutari, he wants to help House of Folk our African campaign into Western Mexico House of Folk Confederations Cup and a fee the FA Cup no qualifier the money 18 years. Yenko FIFA under 20 female and I say World Women Championship and also Ebitian Santuja, Sajumedi Ebebaso El Costa Rica. Senos Mami say or 10th of August and copying 28th of August and Ajumediano so Ebanavie. And Yabi PM say Ghana Football Association President Kate Edwin Simeon Okraku Edin Komoka Kraba or they share my winning crime. Senyamia Duma, on behead him say Manabeko Europe. I feel Mako Bomb from Makaka enya access to facilities no Nama or my internationally acclimatized and sana me perno the money etian sache work up na say.
And we can only make our nation great and strong if we are focused on the vision to excel at the World Cup, the vision to go beyond the group stage, and the vision to touch. It's a vision which is achieved if we remain focused and if we align ourselves to the technical advice from the technical team. For us at the Football Association, we'll continue to give you all the needed support. Obviously, when you see the two big men in sports, not in football, in sports, that should tell you that the entire country is strongly behind your campaign. I'm not supposed to deliver the message by or from His Excellency the President. The right man is here. But once you see the two men here, it means Ghana is supportive of what you're doing. And when you go out there to battle to represent Ghana, you will not be alone. The entire country will be with you. We will continue to give you the needed support to ensure that we will be.
Inti Kate Edwin Simon Okraku Ghana Football Association boss ana odene komo eja the Black Princess of Ghana omo ana eko World Cup no Costa Rica. But you try ni kire beach soccer for catch omo national team friend say the Black Sharks. Na Black Sharks nso qualify omo money between Sanchez ewo AFCON qualifiers and also between Sambaso ewo Mozambique October bosoni ana Sanchez kuno 18 Santuja na ehase on the 22nd of July Ghana be face Egypt ewo Sankins kesi between Santuja ewo Cairo. Now for second leg encounter on the weekend of or the 5th of August no and also 18 Sambaso. It's an say armchair journalism is gradually becoming a crime. And into recent kwa Bernard Padibutwi and Sergio Manuchu a committee from Hononu Pon Kumuku Pimwa woman Black Sharks a kumo.
Yebepiem ewo La Palma Beach. Aha. Ohwe mechi hanoma na say ohun se bibi ekoso. The Black Sharks omo ene national team. The beach soccer team no. Nyame ayadom a omo ne omo tipefo omo fi Egypt. The AFCON qualify bako ebepem so. Na tournament no ebetodwa ewo Mozambique. Oho na tournament ne betodwa bosumi October this year mu na tournament ne betodwa na ehun hia se Ghana was say qualify na ni echere Mozambique ni bi eniti no yabepiem ewo La Palma Beach hanoma yehwe Imbrante no ho babo so far o maye so coach no ene Imbrante no omo ho se omuye ebetimi aboyen ma yetimi akoche Egypt first leg no ebetodwa ewo oman Ghana mu na ne na otwe so no yapiem ewo Egypt na yesa any second leg no ada apem so na me bedu wan so no enye me nko an me baaye me Sergio Manucho sana de bia ye no yenye football nko na ye other sporting activities ni nyina ye cover into Minister Sergio Manucho abepiem na ya hwe sem brantia no ma ho boabo so far ebetimi aboa na etwi afa Egypt for so ama etimi qualify da Mozambique AFCON akokesi na Sergio Manucho
Bernard Padi Boche
na yabepiem ewo La Palma Beach hanom brantia the Black Sharks ohwe ma ho boa so far oni mpemfo no any players ni bi di nkomo no ekosen
o bibia de mu fantastic say maka kire say from day one ya draw ne ba ya yen saka Egypt no ye na ye ebisu aye monitor omo training na ne ade aye na ya bepiem La Palma and maka kire after say GF for the technical handlers no ya point to owura ne din ade Daniel Corten Ikwe and I say yes this is the man for the job menhunu e wo Great Olympics ben menhunu the other teams are paying and obe handle Black Sharks no I think say this is the way to go me buy omo training nya bad unim say omo bebie official a day at the media houses and some interview but yen Adom TV any multimedia dey ye see from there we wan bebie gate there my ntin ya bebie La Palma hanom a ye hwe ni mu say ni ombedi nkomon and wo hwe training omo ye ahombo omo de gu akwan mu bibia say your boys na ye crado but eno amenya opportunity Egypt omo beach soccer team no padi omo nye joke yes omo nye joke unim say ye pe 8 teams na this year beach soccer AFCON no Maputo Mozambique ahinkro yakwakosi akan no and qualifiers ni no home and away basis di Ghana ye ni Egypt ebo home and away di obedi nkunim no automatically okwakobo and 14 teams no ye pe 7 teams pe na akwakobo na host nation Mozambique ono so aba beshem na ye enwotwe nti my Ghana ye ni any excuse than to qualify ye nim say ayen hihye so de but ye din kan bo beach soccer FA Cup ya chita beach soccer club egiye and a couple of players who ma omobo modene other beach soccer teams ni so ebo modene aye hwe ni mu say omunyina de bekom ho abomu ni abonti padi so far no ye ba ha after 2 p.m. abesi sabre no training na nya bad coach Nikwe and the boys omo kire say
nti Bernard Padi Boche and Sergio Manucho the oscillating and revolving reporter and atio monka o beach soccer for kache e La Palma no kaketo e no mo san twema ko Mozambique nyame adoma omo nkoma aka wechi no besan de aba no san de masi koso but a little bit of beach soccer oko beach soccer ma ye bo 3 halves first half second half third half na first half no ye bo 12 minutes second half ye bo 12 minutes third minute no na assemble 12 nti ye bo 36 minutes e o beach soccer mu na beach soccer na a maximum of 5 players and is here kind of my team but players are here campaign ye substitute now sa ko tra bencher umu utimi san ba biu ti ubaba kusisa na nyama esi ekoso no akensi no ebetia ba na wie nyame adoma ye be san de biso ka honkomo bi na etia senjao but den twem nso e wa Ashanti regional session of this year's Ghana's fastest ye kandi part ho hare pass o kwadua na se Ghana edi ma kwotene pa na ubepiem a weekend we na Edwin Gadi ono so ewini men's 100 meters category no e wo Ghana's fastest ni pa ho hare pa e wo Ghana ha no oni
Ghana fastest human 2022 na watwen wiye omoka no kopie Kumasi a Padwo ye wo KNUST ena omanfo dodo na akotwa hia honom dwumadie kase ye omde pemso saa dwumadie kase boayen ena maburu no ye pa omo a ani mirika tu no motuma gina mu ate oman Ghana nim ye de hyehye so no na mu ayere sebenta na so Edwin Gadai oye ne ho a 100 meters e wo mema na famu ho no wono dinkunim eno anso ha Janet Mensa so emaba no 100 meters no wotu ababa Doris Mensa ono so je na baso bode FFF afia na 18 category no so William Pare ene dinkunim wo honom
ana 15 no wisdom mensa ene din kunimu a obi bi odin kunimu na no empenifo de abasobo esombo edema won esanso de medals egu omukun.
And we appreciate all of you mobile move to here and I can see last chance to qualify Cape Coast August 20th in Cape Coast is the last chance to qualify for the September 24th finals.
Nti Ghana's fastest so kwa Ashanti region dia Edwin Gadayi ono anetimi epija Frank na gina kunkun ti bia na o fast but wo fi no anko competition bi dia Chenus Mam Ashanti region na no Edwin Gadayi ana o the fastest human ewo Ashanti region nti nyame adoma wese na mabesi akọ Chenus Mam say 1xbet o mo na touch abo ma de Sanchez on create fence bro. I've always told you that betting is better than sakawa bet the intasima we chin twan befu a wodin befu nti ya fa ho jim na twan befu na din befu afeji fast master and so Duba kwa infections be attitude be and second be and also ebe bona fi sedimore gel and roll on also touch the your ultimate pain relieving gel more than that so between from say utu be akoto and say utu bi na wan kasa dia ya ho no 0208986731 na on sedimore gel and roll on yan hwem komo okotema ho pa fi kwa chama no so a enye na set me ke be betia boa emo pomodo nsem so etimi akoi we so na megina na me de nenso maso dan besi no so ewa wo kensim no ebetimi asi na me so yesu de na se boatma in terms of entertainment ye Ghana had obi antimi no ase bia water for batwe fa sister na ye sweet na ne nkomo so ede omoden ase obekoso am afidie no ada ka che abusuafo na hofo yere ma wo fasefo na nanam ene ompenafo nyina se sister boatma ba na ne nkomo ede too much na ebebo amaniama atuasa ko ntino hwese na masi koso a na se have ede asimba bia omoden ada se ofidie no bekoso ada Adom TV so medin de Enoch Kwesi Wolanyo Wallace agudi catch back up the only nomenclature of professors degree in sports they are the regional Wallace na mjina of course evidence based sports presentation it mejaw erade enten animal onye okese onye fi be da so ni na mfa nko be da so the act of being a good guest is to know to say goodbye.
Me pa chaw me mwache me sanso eda sibio me chere eniso dia ma hwefo se mo hwa Adom TV no na me chere eniso no bi nso dia ma anuanom Professor Wallace Walanyo diago kensie no abro sister o ma me boatema Mrs Hassan enso dia hosepe na bro style bia bi afa matnase ye bedi nkomo ewo efisem enkomo twetwe so na happy birthday enkoma Orura Yere Ruth Edu Jemfi aka Mona Lisa Mame Okunone Gabi Edujemfi, former road safety ambassador. Happy birthday and call Maupa with your chairman Amwakonda kwa enchen. Obi bia so a ene eye wa woda no happy birthday to you. Geraldine. Hey Geraldine, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Nti won so a ene eye wa woda no. Erade ne nam ye a wo twetwam ye a wo cheche nhira no. Onfa mo fiefiem no mesra mo. Na happy birthday bia mo nhira no won so monsa enka mo chefa. Ye ba be din komo na we no eye abasobo dwumadie eho enkomo twetwe ena me no eba bedi me won panifo mienin ewo me chen ewa ha ba ko ene Daisy State okay amakai abasil State since ana didi nete okay ena Bishop Mafo Ahenkra enso ewo me chen dwumadie no ene say eye Chartered Insurance Institute Excellence Awards na che say eye abasobo na panifo mienu no Omo kasa ekoyi hunti omo ye members of the awards committee of the Chartered Insurance Institute and amene won eba bedisa enkomo Bishop Pacho one state mamachi na abasobo no insurance wom na institute wom na chartered wom na excellence nso wom kwa mahefo Pacho
say ye can insurance institute na ye can wonga esua insurance on kabumuku na essence ye pese bonus ye standards se de ye tutu ye niema ebe kọ nanim ntino ye fa kwanya bia so se de be ya ebe pija na nipa nyina ehunu se dwumadie wo de ho domo a ye ya no kwafo
okay
sɛ ne yɛwɔ doctor for yɛwɔ architects na wɔn hwehwɛ sɛ wɔn adwumadie no bɛkɔ so na nyɛ sɛ obiara hunu biara ba bɛdɔm no ntino yɛhyehyɛ saa standards na ɛma kwan ma yɛsuadeɛ afei adwuma a yɛdie no so yɛdi no kure wom sɛ na ɛbɛyɛ a bɛtumi ama ɔmanfoɔ no nyɛ gyidie ɛwɔ yɛn mu na akwanya baako a yɛfa so na yɛpagya ne sɛ sɛ yɛbɔ wɔn a ɛbɔ mmɔden wɔ adwumadie no aba so na ɛnti na yɛkɔfa excellence awards yi baeɛ sɛ one promote excellence one mmɔ wɔn a ɛbɔ mmɔden no aba so a yɛaka ne yɛmpere ɛnkɔ yɛnim nti adwumadie baako a yɛafa aka yɛ adwumadie ho a yɛhwɛ sɛ afie biara adwumadie akɔ so no yɛbɛhwɛ yɛn mu ahwɛ companies ahodoɔ nipa ahodoɔ adwumadie a wɔdiiɛ ne yɛakari ne yɛahwɛ sɛ ɛkɔ n'anim a na yɛayɛ ahyɛ fa na yɛhyɛ fa saa ne abɔ amamansan nyinaa te na kyɛ sɛ nipa no ahunu sɛ o me nso so dwuma a medie no
ɛsɛ fata saa deɛ woka baako aka me koma ne sɛ ne yɛakari na wei no nyɛ nhwehwɛ animu bi asɛm sɛ the fact that bi a wona wo nipa dodoɔ a woyɛ insurance ma wo no yɛbɛbɔ waba so ne mmom yɛde to nsani ani ne yɛakari nti na kyɛ sɛ insurance ɛyɛ nsiakyi ba no ɛho hyehyɛeɛ ne nakwan a yɛde yɛ no wobɛto mo bo ase ahwehwɛ mu ahwɛ sɛ adwumakuo wei deɛ no deɛ wɔde nhyehyɛeɛ no nyinaa yɛ adwuma pɛpɛpɛ nti ɔsɛ fata yɛ excellence awards nam de abasebɔ no ama no okay mate wɔseɛ
panel yɛwɔ awards panel a yɛyi ne petitututu a wɔn da no
okay
wo sɛ tor bi a nansɛn wobɛhwɛ no wo ha sɛ wei no mo yɛ awards wobɛhwɛ sɛ wei yɛ awards sika ne yɛde kɔma ne ama wo saa abodiri no yɛhwɛ a saa kwan no ɛnyɛ no korɛ kwan ɛnyɛ papa nti no obi a on deserve obi on fata no wobɛhwɛ no no momu anya adenti ono wo sika ana wo nkrofo ɛbɛto abama no ɛnsɛ ba ne saa ɛnsɛ yɛhwɛ ne yɛkan ne yɛde abasobɔ no ma na boa ma nkyirima no so apre afa saa kwan no so
asɛm no waka ne nyina wie efiri sɛ ɛba no insurance ɛyɛ nsiakyi ba a enipa bebre adwen yɛ wɔn tawantawa kakra ɛwɔ hɔ no tutu ɛba no informal sector no adenti na ɛsɛ mede madwuma de ɛkɔ sɛ insurance for nsafi sɛ na no baako yi a ne ho ba asɛm yi emfie nsiakyi maame no kura ewu kɔe ne ma no ɔmani ɛden ɛna ɔmo twɛn ho ma so ne ɛmo ɔmo kakra nti amafo ni ɔmo gyidie papa nti sɛ yɛsa akɔba no sɛ fasika beja abasobɔ de ana kyɛ awie yo enti we no ente sa daisy yi acho maboni ye dem de brofo de ya na mkanya de daisy
yenko ne rama
rama no what you try to me no boy be boa me no okay ti right and she no anything the fact that me insurance company no me den na maka ho bi mo ana mo be select ana say so bi kofa form bi no di ne din ko no beka ho bi ansa na ye de na to saa enseni ne ho hyehyɛ ne sɛn
okay so insurance institute ewo council council net nas no mo hu say SES set up a committee that's the awards committee after the awards committee so mo set up an award panel no nhwehwɛmu no mo de questions bi ba mu any criteria standards ye de be hwɛ so abosobody no
okay
this standard no ema KPMG enti any KPMG for in a adwuma enti KPMG so share sa standard ne so no de questionnaire bae questionnaire no eba sa no na che say obi a ye bie no filing for nominations na obi a obe file no nomination bia no ebekọ award panel ne ho award panel no criteria na meka so maye no de be hyehyɛ ho atoto ho ehu say ne wodi aba no ese fata udibem ani ya famu de ko akoma KPMG na KPMG so de atoto mo questionnaire ne ho nti out of no na afi ya bo say bia we ye we ne de be ma no nti no awards in the no ye nim ne obe wini KPMG na ebe final decision maker nti usually ne kra no da ye be ya awards ne kra ne hu say bia asumesi ne wini ye
okay nti say obi ye insurance company bi na o hweye na o tie bi kra wonte ye but akwanya no ne say otumide odin kosa oji ho di say anamo papa ne ekwan no ayefa so eye nsiachi ba ho adwuma ye insurance no onam so de ana say akwanya no eno otumide odin ekọ na so the first say munnim say ebia insurance A and insurance B and insurance V ne be wini no eye den ya mo target bishop more targets at the end of the day no adwuma ko dodo sei ene ebebo wa aba so ana ebibisa ni ho
nipa sho bibisa ho eye various and kind categories ya chiche insurance adwuma no ye wo insurance companies afi or reinsurance companies ye wo insurance brokers and wachi ni ye wo ankra nso bi see person who the professional of the year yes ye hwese obi nipa ba ko an adwuma eso ani pa the best underwriter near sabi insurance adwuma no wonim se ne ye tro no ye ne bi o ye claims kwan o fa so ye claims no eso ani enti sa ya chichem se ne be ya category bebrebe aduonu ene akire
okay
ye be bo nyina abaso
jo
enti no insurance companies won de individuals ankran so won de and brokers insurance brokers almost some intermediaries intermediate almost some de enti no obi biara insurance dwuma na bia me se na bia me remfi health insurance for ekura aka ho
okay
ate so won nyina e be bo won abaso na ye hwe se ye nyina ye be koye nim se ye ka se excellence se ye hwe won a edimu ye bodin a na che se ahye obi a enkran enti sa akonya de e wo ho ma obi biara oye bibi wo insurance ho de kakra
okay enti no se ona mo fichire ho na wo ye insurance na im se ebredu se wo ho beda ho enti kofa kwa pa ne so because at the end of the day no to betri almost so nam kwa pa ne so no abasobodwuma de nkwa wie no omumu be yedu ema omadwuma no if you say omo ye no krogen na bishop we de fa kwa we so na my education kakra wo ka bibi say insurance reinsurance and brokers yeah they te wa bo no obi aba me insurance hwan wo de say ba ye tete say ya ye jeje say ya say sia e be wie say ne aka ne nyina afra insurance but reinsurance brokers and insurance no wo chire mu tia wa mu a ene den
yo me chire mu say be hu se bia emrantie bi nante se na wo di kan ye no wom dodo na from agents insurance agent we adwuma insurance companies no na won salesmen nti wo kope be bia na wom gi adwuma on de koma insurance company no eno akire no ye wo ne friend brokers no ye won a asua ade ko wanim wom ne insurance wo insurance adwuma mu nyina fa sua hu ba ko mu wom nyina bantete ye wo CIIG se ne ye kan ni amon abudin krata and from professionals and the agent don't get professional there but broker do a professional until no oye ojina oye quantum crow oye independent until utufo until say be am fans Adom FM person mo ye insurance ultimate file broker so na broker na say lawyer I say or the wo call insurance dwaso no akodi dwa until wo so wonsa or your futufo until wo yes na money nyina ma insurance companies no nim says ankrofo we atete won so won yes ah enti won so yes ah de boa do madwuma nti say agent de kakra na mo won de no won ni insurance company baako enye baako pe na ye adwuma insurance company so Ghana nyina won mutimi ni won ye adwuma
it's a consultancy firm
as a consultancy firm advisory firm won ye enti eno so eboa pa eno achi ne won insurance companies na nkasa won na won mo je bonus risk adwuma na nkasa no eso say insurance for nkrofo niam betimi atoto to yen no ana yen ye hweso na ye toto intimen fan say bi besi say insurance company bi wo hon mana say as o ye risk taker wo amani anka wo bi amedan be hye ehye a ope wasumdie nti wo de ho akoda insurance company nti ono no je wo amani no insurance adwuma no ama asumdie aha nti won du madie so won gye na won akire no won agye no eto bia na risk no maswaso an bebre no edo so dodo nti won akire no ye san wo reinsurance the reinsurance no ayensi achi ba egina insurance companies achi etwato aso sa retrocession is say etwato aso is that say asem no ba
ya ti ase me da se wa ma yesa adesuade we nti no mpacha wote ho na say abrante bia na baba we bi ball pumu a me insurance adwuma na sanim die we ya bishop dia maye na wate ase yansa na adon ho akoshi yansa na chiro abekaze wo mo bu ami afaso maye bukata obi anya obukata we misasem na wante ase ye erai eda no ye da ben da adwumadi beba so no na hefa so na mo beye no
Ebeba so on the 23rd of July. It's a Saturday.
You
obi aje na home wa ko adwuma waje wa home. near Bay Saturday ne Saturday no.
Okay.
Ebe no Labadi Beach Hotel.
Na obi to me baby na we the insurance for no monya mo ade.
Obia to me baba so beto ticket there because tickets are here ton the 500 cedis for non-members.
Okay.
CIG no say Bishop kind no consultant be po nti no wo ka ko ne ho dia obetua 400 cedis.
Okay.
Ba won ka ho dia na obeba and the yempamo ba obetua 500 cedis.
Na ebia na ticket no da no me ni ba bia kompese me ba na me be hwese the insurance for mo ye mo ade fa menya bi he.
Ye the numbers beto ho nti no se mo hia bia mo frɛ.
Me so number no de ma yesisi a nka ye ho prayer no na ya hyase apebi.
Me patcho mo betimi afrɛ 0244.
Okay.
44 again 1195.
Mr. Otobobo no baako ma ye
0244 another 44 1195.
Okay, 0244 another 44
1195.
Iti pacho sa number ifa na ebi kura na oye obi a wadwuma wo ye no efa insurance hon so wonyante sa adwumadie ya eba beba so na afi wafa akwanya so ebi so a wate dada na wo yedi nkomo ya kai wo wasembisebi obomode ana se ofra bishop ne ewura betumi aboa ona watumi enya emu enchemu no eye ntimpacho yenkomo ayedi eye insurance abasobodwumade ebeba so nti wenu dwumade no kwa wiye no ho se insurance na bi enya sabasobo bi a kire se na dwuma a wo ye no eye kroji if you say bishop she nkomo na se no o kan se ba ko bi wo ha ena ko votu fa ha ena ko to fa ha wato betumi atonti na anya senge bia ye say ye vanto nsene nipa se adwuma ko no se ho abasobo anka wunya otoye ye mo mpene sa se ne be ye adwuma no ho betwa because insurance for no me ne ebinom wo ha ye nyimu ni sa nde no kre na mte ha na making na anu asem binti Pacho me da sinti me sra mo de twato a bishop Pacho ye de sorry so
yo and me say me fa akwanya so ada TF ase na ya hye won kran se se chi badwumedie na ekoso na se wonya abotre na ohwehwe ni papa na company papa no won ye adwuma ye wo regulator National Insurance Commissioner bibi biara ha obi biara no obetime de akoho na obi enye bibi e fata obetime atwena so
okay
ye dwumadie no so ye pese ye hye mon kran se insurance eboa asamonto woda wahwe ya betre echi akasa na so entwen ma asamonto wansa ye twato a meka ne se ye yes adwumadie di abo insurance for a won wo ya de papa na baso yes ramanfo se won tie echi na ye dwumadie enye kama enhye Kristo anyonyam
that's it Bishop Basamba ko kadi chato na kamekoma pa se asamonto da hu bi se bibi so wonfa so o de obeka se de bia na mikotua na meteto ho yedamase so matwe ya jesi so sa abusia for me Daisy stayed Rabana Rama and Bishop Mafo ahenkra na edisa enkomo nti we no Chartered Insurance Institute Excellence Awards honkomo na yedi Mr. Ocheme me ba na yedi nkomo foforo
Yababunya kwa babie ade papa twam dwumadi so on Adom TV live on Facebook Adom TV YouTube Adom TV Instagram baby bia social media wo bia no o de type Adom TV search Adom TV anopai bomodian se wo free fie nko ade a bomodian so be join on any of our social media platforms especially Facebook na nkomo e ba be di no emodu pa nefa wadwenkyere nsembisa ya wo nyina efa ebrani enkenkai emfa emba anapanso ye toa so senedi kaka kire fiti enano juada se memre da na NPP amanyoko over 6,700 delegates ekwa adaka makoto aba ede yi wona ebedi party no anim for the next 4 years isa se penisi yedu amanfo so a ne akai ya no munti deni ase we se bo MPP ameko aprano ne bi so mo se ahoboa ye omo de ekọ etese wona ejiremu apredi bre agodo no wa ho siesie akwakọ se etine wona apredi bre no so ba ko pa enso e ha no mu a ono kwa de save ye ababo ntemi kura chem se position ya wo pre no e likely say obewini. But before that, mama read this statement be here Charles ye wo Eastern Region be kire Conference of Heads of Assisted Secondary Schools Headmasters oboda Senior High Schools in Kabumku and fa wo apuema temo e de aba e de fa ennuane a ho aye din e wo schools e ho any other concerns here omo e wo statement say Eastern Charles Council meeting on the challenges facing the free senior high school program fallout. At the Eastern Charles Council meeting held on Tuesday, the 12th of July 2022, at Pentecost Senior High School in Koforidua, the following challenges facing senior high schools with particular reference to food shortages, reduced weight of food items, erratic release of funds meant for perishables and recurrent funds were outlined. 1. Food shortages. There has been food shortages for the past 2 years and the supply of food has not been in line with the policy directives. Reduced weight of food items supplied. Suppliers of food items for some time now have been supplying underweight items to the schools. An example is 100 kilograms of maize has been reduced to 50 kilograms or 60. Erratic release of funds meant for perishables. Funds meant for perishables in senior high schools are in arrears since 2021. Only 2 lodgments have been made in 2022 as regards for perishable goods. Non-payment and or erratic release of recurrent funds. Since 2021, funds meant for recurrent have been released once. By extension, recurrent funds are in arrears since 2021 and 6 months into 2022. Fallout. Council resolved that if by Friday, the 15th of July 2022, the aforementioned challenges, food situation and funds are not addressed, heads of senior high schools in Eastern Region will have no option than taking the following stages. 1. Recommending to GS management to close down all senior high schools in the region. 2. Recommending to GS management to, as a matter of urgency, get in touch with parents to either feed their wards or pick them home until all situations are normalized. Council would like to commend all heads of Eastern Region senior high schools for their pragmatic effort put in place to contain the precarious situation so far. Signed by the regional chairman and regional secretary. Eti krata na sebu nyina etia wa enese ena ukọ yento aso school na enkankane wo Eastern Region msi enuane ho ayedin diama adesuafo no. Ne tosumienu aduane na nanka yede eba ne sese eso ate. First na ka bia aburo boto ene de ba ene de boto fa ena eba. Uye no so to nchen so sika wo se abampanfo atwia ede ma schools no mtimi bo schools no ebra no. Efri afimpimienu ene adwenu baako. Ebi mai. Ena yewura afimpimienu ene adwenu mienu mu enso na bosumi ensie ni akem. Eno nti headmasters yo mo edan to aso school no wo mai apuemantem sei. Omo maaban akosi nyame adma edefiada. July bosumi de toso de dunum se saa ensema waka wasa abampanfo anye ho bibi amfa am dia ne omeye nie ometu schools nim omeka kire Ghana Education Services schools ne yentum ema nkwada na enkofie enye saa nso dia Ghana Education Service ene awofo no eni nkomo se omo ankasa ntonnuane emfa mro moma no emomu ne nye saa dia eni ebenyan etuweni achechefo no etuate omate ne hawa ede ebre ye edisuafo enso enobra so ebedi enkomedin de akwesi insia mamfa na sekese enko enfama Hepa Plus mixture beso da bia mekato se eyedu papa adura so onye bi na no mu a ebeboa mu ogina na so ye no aye brane se ye malaria ya de be na edu nipadwe mu akotere Hepa Plus mixture da romanti ano betimi abrasa so na Franco Trading Enterprise enso ene se eye phone se ye tablet se ye laptop se ye bibi biam se ye phone edem ye bia se ye fridge TV bibi bia for the Franco Trading Enterprise ombo no so ewo form pa so ana kel charcoal toothpaste me see apple smas nye fita ma se e kan ye free ban enye kama kan it na kabidie no ye di boso sa ne de ku body tre so na de atwies na so enne ewiase yini ko nanim tie nyina so ye nyini ekoyedem eti ye de toothpaste ni nyina so ye chakokro na etu nya be na de twusi a sena enkati na de body ni bidie ni twusi ase ye fita na sa pepepe ene beye esagya kama o kasa gobi asoma na ni agi hu ye pa city blood tonic enso eri obenya mojedu papa anom afili ama ni pedwa na hyehya ye kama eye city blood tonic o man ba bi eton adobia no okwa onsa ebeka bi atonyi ko na so yasene ebe de pensem dwumadie no ebro medi de akwesi ensia Michael Oseboati aka Pope Epre National Youth Organizer wo NPP amyokonu Pope okode
ye nuamnya
alese nura ya na Africa mase bae
anopeya mu
anoparada
anopeya na mebeju enyi free hands aye set to aso
ena de na form
nyame oho nyame kaye ho.
From John Boadu as National Youth Organizer, Anthony Abayifakabo as National Youth Organizer, Samia Uku as National Youth Organizer, Henry Nanabuache as National Youth Organizer, and a position no ayehwe. Can you fit that shoe?
Minya medasi bebre mefa akonya we achia ahwefo ene etiefo ewo Ghana na benim se Adom FM ekọ echi papa wadaro ma mecha ye party mpanyifo na we de mama ye party ni na yakọ ewo de atoyen enra ewo akwanhia esiye ewo ya MC ya na DCO bibiani mefa konya we nso aka yakọ acha abusuafo na any party ma ewo sa constituency any region western north region na mi wadaro ma se de okan no obobo din na oba no wi Henry Nanabuache am kasi bi ade Michael Oseboati na ehye ho preko na de tifo hu se line no asan ne da ho wadaroma em se oni to me se ode be hye me nsem wo haninti e na wanye
sure
but se de okan yen atompan en abusua biemu akunwa etompan a eden a ye de ma ode hye wo abusua ni mu me so me ye de hye na me ne abusuafo akasa a meguso a me no mo kasa se de be ya me so me ye de hye no eduru ho a ombe hu se metimi aye adwuma nie na ombe mama konya na masom se de oma obo mudin na abesom no
okoform na one especially youth no ADM komoa what kind of leader and more pay for the youth aspect of party position ya that empire this time crap party person was breaking the 8-year say miracle say there that what kind of leader and more pay
Oni mebunu no edi nkomo a yo mo hwehwe in 2024 anase bi obitime di o menim do ma win 2024 elections.
Okay.
Yo mo kan say ye pro bi a obitime akasa ma yen bako. Ye pro bi a wa ye adwuma ni bi pen. A enya fe ni e be so na hwe. Mienu. Ye pro bi a anyi bia no se ye ho kire ya obetimi aboa yen obetimi ama ya ho kire na adu mpanyifo anim ye probi a edru election day a ote election systems ase winim campaign ye no bidi anim amiawe ne 2024 ye probi a ye hawa yiwo mu enema wa ben ma o se nka ye nya bia nya nyaye obi obetimi akoje abre yen enom so mo hwehwe.
I don't want to believe say what can I say now kwa say what they are seeking for no it is not there.
No credit say the omo can now ho.
Okay.
The omo can na e wo ho. Omo so mo probi a obetime di o me ndo ma win election. Me pa che no eni ho. Se bi wo ho.
Okay.
Omo probi a wa yi bida. Na wo sa ba be ye. Enye afe na ye be so na hwe. Yes. Ya ye ko ye obi a wa ye bida. Enye baako wa ye ni ne baako so, mienu so, ne prensa so. Enti obi ho dada. Omo pe obi a ote omu sun te omo hawo a obetimi akasa ma wo mu. Yes. Michael Oseboati deputy regional youth organizer that what omu sun ete omo hawo. Ewo ase ho. Enye kan ye ken. So Asha, you win elections at the polling station, the grassroots. Mun say Michael Oseboati any grassroots no and nanante abedru baby a wodri Pope. enti sɛ ɔmo pɛ obi saa mimi gidi sɛ yɛn san pope ho enkofo bi foforo pope ene de ne bɛkɔ.
Michael Sebwate, when challenges are NPP TESCON ewo.
Minim challenges no ebi.
There be omo free say part no etwa omuja. Ekwa be na be fa so a obe resolve omo concerns e dia mom. Ebi a concerns ebi no wanimu a. How to rope them into the national party after school. A challenge.
Me that's be my TESCON member da. And me a TESCON member me be school me final year na me sponsor TESCON on programs.
Okay.
As SRC president. Inti TESCON adwuma no ma fam for 3 years consistently. Minimum adwuma no si the city. E minim TESCON hon faso a say some year e be ba ma party no. Wadaroma say yehye TESCON ya party no e da achen yehu ni say yehye ni no because say because of Nana Danko Kufuado policy or the by free SHS ni no this will be a school this social first no na 60% and 90% of GSS leavers no and graduates no eco school omko we are from SS na hinomko tertiary institutions and the TESCON no e say e no na e accommodate omo we then e say no omo challenge ama TESCON see the na e see hu no enye as vibrant as it used to be ebi mu ne say ye you omo every party you omo free party nhyehyeye bia o se youth wing na nya anaye se de be ma TESCON no abenya hodene stronko bia o me be bo youth wing na chidom o me de bo youth wing na chidom party no ene de o me de bo na chidom
it is an share ne bi ne de
mpacho share no bi ne say 1 TESCON for our mere president or more lead institution ni mo before say TESCON president e be program ejuba bia gi se ono an ko quick loan. Yes, untimi emfre TESCON members momo metena se 4 hours. Emomu ntiu. Uwi a obeka chom se ensu kra omomu binom. Enti ensu na obeto no, yise ohwe quick loan ansa no aiden. Wenye ensu ato e dia serve omombeba.
Ne okay be ni bitimi. Aseche se part no nhye ni enhye bi odikita for TESCON na.
Se sei enhye bi opo a me ameti hei.
Okay.
Mi hui emre bi atwam benyem se anda yinua be ma samia oku emre bi atwam sata ne wono mre so no o wa na TESCON bibi kakra etimi ba e support omom research programs.
Okay.
By say ye hu sa anyema
na samia oku ba no de ba no eye se ono samia oku kakra na wanya ato ne botom e na wo chi bia ma na to TESCON so na se part na atwa to wode ama ne se onfa mo TESCON ena no obedi samia oku ade no ebe to ne party atwa to se onfa mo TESCON no de watena so a onfa mo mana
no pache eno no memeti hei.
Okay.
Minim enhyehyɛ party no aye for TESCON, especially the party mother body no and executive no.
Okay.
Youth wing, makoy member of youth wing. Anyi bia no matena my regional youth organizer that ma run TESCON. Me run TESCON. Ya first ke bia free. National youth organizer first ke bia free. No ho amrem se me fan run TESCON. Me pacho so ho.
Okay.
Na is enhyehyɛ bia nhye da ni ho. Enti wo youth organizer no na otimi ekosere bi na ba no wache am na oso mo so no mo so dey mo programs.
Michael Sebwate, your friend the Pope or national youth organizer e wo NPP Amuyokomo. Yenye adwuma we emre isi ne metwa so. Michael Sebwate national youth organizer ewo NPP Amuyokonim. Nyama for the friend na any Pope. Before na me twa me ho aba no. Adeba kwa na kan TESCON. E be kan TESCON because says all can the youth wing power NPP Amuyokomu a. Elusa se dodo na agina TESCON for adwumade so any sam other party members. So now, challenges are test for a community. Party in Shedani, she share, Bia, that was said, ye buy a teben within the year, no, ye the capre, and as a sempoa, and a toward the amatescon. Eti Michael or Sebwatin will be. Dear Nabetimia ye amatescon, financially, or Mojo Monasu Kakra, Nan Kobase, Tescon president, ever quacko borrow from quick loan, as not to the organizing program.
Me, I was a baby. Say, medical kind, said ye, ACTA challenges no more facing bino. And okay, as MBCCA, say youth wing na fan age na Tescon so.
Sure.
But your Tescon a part of youth wing.
Okay.
We share Tescon na yes, you value mo pa by youth wing na nkasa no your youth organizers are or more so man constituencies. Our share constituencies be more than 120,000 people. And Tescon so the SY KNUST University of Ghana. Yeah, now our money numbers no 50,000, 60,000, 70,000.
Okay.
And here na do no from the donor kujina youth organizers no more deputies so our constituency. And na test conform no efa say omo youth organizers omo mpanyfo a omo sua free omo. Drew baby ya na ye mo share constituency for na no mo grooming omo say the be ya after 1 year service as Tescon president, Tescon executive, oba constituency a you beat me na mainstream no near grooming no amana be real party leader.
Okay.
Mr. Wadaroma, now talking about financial issues na you face e wo Tescon no. Enunti ye the policy bi aba a nyame ya dom na se omoboa me e ma me dru ho a me megidi se ombeboa me dru ho nso. Ye be ne se ye be form National Youth Wing Council. National Youth Wing Council no ye the deputy constituency youth organizers rebeba, constituency youth organizers rebeba, regional deputy youth organizers rebeba, or regional youth organizers beba ho, diaspora youth organizers ebeba ho. Ye the MPs below 40 rep beba ho. Appointees below 40 rebeba ho, or former youth organizers, national youth organizers, ebeba ho. You are the Tescon rep abeka ho.
Okay.
If you are Tescon reps, ebe reps, any rep. You the volunteer groups rep abeka ho. If you are the body no as national council no, youth wing council no, atro to your penny for to your neck, the national council, ni atro mo. Problems at Tescon FM. Ye dia ko akokasa ama Tescon. Na ye dia busa se yesere mo omma omo cushion kakra, sika kakra e bia se nye monthly bia, semester bia ombetimi e dia boa na ye de kenya ho ewo ye institutions ni mo.
Okay.
Membigidi se yesa enya dia ye mpanyimfo no ebe dane echi amaye.
Okay.
Because omunim the strength of Tescon in our party. Women what Tescon can do. It say no any bit me aboa ma Tescon abegina ne nan so a meme gidi say ye mpanyimfo no be enyi ye ndwo no ya sha se di ho nkomo amomahu enti de om kan say nyame boa na wo eni a
okay
bra ye bekem bia ma wo abo anya bibisa
eti from Michael Oseboatin ewe ni a Tescon for enye rest assured say at least anya hwekro menya budget kakra from the national party.
Exactly. And may come from the national party. If we say, so share nipa baako for on sansu nyamienim kata. You're close to 290 Tescon institutions. Mean to me emfa omoka nyina no ento me ho so say mefa. Eno de ebe dene. But empanyimfo no ono omoka omo nso etimi gije nkakra no mo dia support. Isi anyi bia no secretaries omu say problems ewo ho a omo de koto mpanyimfo anim no esi anyi bia no okọ constituency bia mpanyimfo support omo kakra.
Okay.
Yemhwe youth organizers me make Tescon di na make constituency youth organizers so constituency youth organizers so o say ye de omo so de ka ho nye ko sere kakra so ema omo because okọ constituency a omo tini pa ye constituency youth organizers eju bobo a omo bobo so wo ho okọ drinking sport a o so wo bi edu yi a also hobi edu ampe krompo also kujina hobi every say baby mabunu ni hye bia no also hobi na akohia babunu no na se oma bobo na nsukom di oma also ye antics bia bebo ma say oh odwen om ho enti anyi bia no nso re bi twem also mo nsuo kakra no
okay
enti youth organizer ukona obotom fia no kra ni say emma wadwuma no enso ani
enso nso ka baby kwa so de adwane kakra ka
da bi say di enso ne de sha ase no ma adwane bebe o ma adwane be mo be kese
last one Tescon party de bia mo beko mo primaries bia no challenge etaba album ho no Tescon de challenge kese because of the way more frame mo ankasa mo party constitution na e cater for one say fata se be free Tescon abeto aba in an internal elections asobi a wo pe national youth organizer no aye Tescon member da na nim the frustration was sad in him. How are you going to resolve this challenge?
Me am do wase bebre ba ma me fa konya we so na mentene ade n kakra
okay
no kra ni say yemko election ma Tescon enya issue say do menya bi afi nti enya afi bia afi we nko ana me hu say Tescon issues no abasro
okay
aba ama 40 or more petitions but mean na hu ne say JCN say Tescon no a institution under the youth wing so what challenges on bo ne say e bimo ese bimo we school
okay yeah
it in you move frame but official time on the two regional elections na time on the two regional elections no just 1 month apart our ye de beto national it the we school no so otimi to region na adenti na ma nhim na o meto national no
o time so
me patch o time maso but then say time be na wo di free wo akoye election ho wa bra so o mo fie bebre na o fie it be that election yame Adom na se ba enye me nko am decision na me take
okay
me National Youth Wing Council betina say near take permanent decision on what is happening over there. How I was here ye delegates but ye council yes ma amanfo nye o madwin bebre say anas engine tum say yes say abato nko enti na yi Tescon president there be nya abato nko na yi Tescon president or responsibility bia or say oye enti ma ye mfa Tescon enko election nko
but
yen say edu ho say omo beto aba kwan ya e befa so a omo be the right thing and na yen so ye be the right thing na e man kekan ye say no nkekan ya ato omo no ana ato ye abon no ye mabie mu ba and no me National Youth Wing Council e be take decisions on it say be be once and for all NBCB
officer sa amamra na e bo Tescon for ho ban kire ni po ba beto aba no o say mo sakra mu kakra
me pa cho wadaroma o hwe your guidelines about ya guidelines nature say it should be Tescon president or his or her rep. Mimun second one. E be a president na woko no. Ontimi enkoto. E be an hododo no into ontimi anko. But when ontimi anko no also within executives not na see rep. And you be no see be rep ne ma wo mo.
Okay. Pope. Emebunu ye wo Ghana. Fi so mo ni da so and na nado danko akufuado abamu
meda wase bebre mebu na wo Ghana e wo anida so kese e wo na nado danko akufuado amamum e cha amamu bia oni ma de kro adekro nti ameka sa asem no e yese apart from omampanyin dada John agikum kofo amamu no aban bia ni ho a waba wadwe mebu no ho se na nado danko akufuado amamu yenhwe wiasimi na ma say na ajatum say the be betimi bridge the gap between the poor and the rich no my education no koso dada but na still ehiafo ana say oma omo ensemu enso no ana munye du no na omo ma entimi enko school edu secondary school me na oti ha yenim na nado danko kufuado ebaye what's the free SHS beba? What the free SHS buy? Is it free SHS ne buy ye no? Ama o man ka o be sign after JHS free no. It me to aso ba SS. E no so be free. Na obiwi SS a se ampo wentimi anto aso na wo pick cleaner wo officer. Obetimi afa no.
Okay.
Ise minim se mu na mo pick cleaners a. Mo pro ma o ma wie SS. Because person be fa cleaner, or buy a graphic with the hono, or fa or dash dustbin mu. Buy a check paper be da na so will be a check at ho. You fancy 100,000 Ghana cedis check da ho. Won timi enkan ehun ni ntino o faye o da hye dustbin mu ese no ope obi a wawie SS na wafa na adwuma se de be ya oba no ready obo se no check we hu hia etimi mfa nto ho ma me manager ana me mfa nto ho ma me supervisor omwa na na dam kokufu adiaba ebiem yenko ye nkro nketwa especially ye maamenom ye wofanom ne ye soanom a omo ye efumdwuma we decide emran ni atwe ho ya kire se we ye bono a month after planting we ekum sere me pa cho twi no ye ntwe ho twi o ya twe ho brofo ye twe ho twi krompo no anko sukwa be dey ready but se wo obi a wawie essesa otimi ready etiase a ofa otimi ka cho se wo we decide we mrewe a ebe say mfudie no eno nko atimi protect o harvest Madaroma free SHS no me lecturer be Professor Dodunu University of Ghana o say Canada implement free SHS no pa ka mo nye bi for the next 8 years na the impact of free SHS no ebeba from 15 years and above
officer ne papam ne yewe
me pa cho ne papam mu no ye introduce nko ade ne papam because he say no SS ni a ono no awi a wokọ no wo ba am ya reduce saa enema ya tutugu abonten basabasa no obisa se ne papam me nim se ne papam gise bi aka kyerem se enye ne papa na wa kyerem adko nti a wo ka kyerem se enye ne papam
enye the entire program but how near consider bia nanka ye betimi a prevent ya ye no yo ekomu a akofade abreye
me pa cho wadaroma ejje na nanka betimi a prevent ejje na esi e kwan se ma ye implement wadaroma sutore be hono no agele ntem yinnua no motifia omunya school nko me pa cho ye hyase ye nhwe oma o metimi akọ school awie yenhwe omo mashase e benefit yes ani bia ne wo yen from yen krabre ma ye hyase anante etremika no ye fa challenges bebremu but eye de a otehwe na wasori otehwe na wasori tese o na begina
but this is the time
no enya dia hyase na quickly ya resolve bibia
but this is the time it looks as if say wow party kra you ready for that review and I say and sacre wo se ye ewom wo party kura understanding baby kire say review no kura say cancellation unyine say the kind of politics na the area that free senior high school no ebe ma the purpose ntia Ghana for touch the man ba no ebe je egu
me pa cho me party nka say review e say cancellation
wow
obi a review on say wo twi ya
okay
wo nsem abeka no
okay
e ye wo nsem
okay
and the wo kan mre bi no any the wo kan nde no ye hwe nyime enu a ne dia compare ne ehu no kurewum
okay
because o ka che so be review bibi na o na ko cancel and ne o ka che me se o be review bi a me fan se o cancel but me ministers under na dam kokufuado a o me free SHS bae o mu gusu a o mo hwe nyeme bi enkoye because bibi a wo hye ase a wo sa tena ase no ahwe oh ekoye bi enkoye yenyi we free a yemfa we ntoa na ye hyehye and okko ministry of education to say enyema wo moye SID rewrem enyema bi wo mo twi
de
me patcho state schools no saba me patcho me boy first na vocational schools no enka free SHS yemfa me kan
but already kakrana na wo no
yes 6 schools no more
yeah but kakrana na wo kwa no finance minister kan ofrata be ka che say baby e de ko no e be hayen and it's true free senior high school the way you carrying along the air con and soon so o mai sika samso no e ha adwen
me da se
ebi mo free say ye won krofo mbetimi atwia ade ne mo entwia free senior high school is supposed to bring equity and yes sir but the current state na wo mu no enye equity na de maye among for boarding house enjoy more chomo mo dey student
me da se bebre What's it? Yakase or ma or meet me munchia.
Yes.
Me pacho under the Minister of Matthew Poku Prempe, the account but was say, wow, say meet me two accounts.
But there's a situation whereby minister and so I catch headmaster be as more me pacho in fame flow beyond.
Say chairman headmaster. You see the account back. Non account no account for the entire free SHS. Or ma so meet me chia. O munchom sika ntum. Me pacho account ni pass the chia tum. Me so wadaroma. Okay about fairness.
Okay. Equity.
You can equity no. What him say? You intimi experience 100% equity. No matter what. Ejuma wumi. Okay say equity. Any 100% that. What that roma? Yo maybe wa we won beche kakra. We won ben han kakra. Na we so won beche no we won ben han kakra. Obi ekof day school. Enche say ono so no ensua de say the boarding house.
But the benefit na ye de one na wo for taxes no e cater for free high school no e different.
Me patch benefits no e different though. Yeah. But there you say ye nhihye ya ye baye no.
Okay.
E wo ho eno nti na sa nyema no o se hwekwan be fa so e be review e ho no
eno nya cancellation.
Me patch nya cancellation.
Okay.
You review ne bit me review say okay you say no o ma o mo e de na amra boarding. Ji say bia wa opt say wo be prefer day.
Okay.
Me patch so me minim crofobia ye postings we ye do o moto boarding school ewo baby almost there be omo man entimi nko boarding school ho omo pay day ewo baby ben wo mo.
Okay.
And they opted for day school ewo baby ben wo mo. Me pa cho so ho entimi motimi opt and me hu ni say sambre no say ma omo akonya bebre na omo so timi opt enu ye review ni bi but enye cancellation.
Okay.
Enti emre no ho me meji say ye minister me meji ni di se obetimi aye adwuma oguso a oye nyema bebrebre wom me meji se enche nyema bi besesa wom and ye beguso asesa even in university education yetimi review but when they review your review no can review be a cancellation na.
Oh, okay.
If I just what I say it eguso review enti se de be ya den boy course subject see review
sure
enti me pacho Minister Ohon, ye jinidi said the review no any cancellation. The review no a betterment of the policy.
Almost 4 years into Free City High School. I feel the better corrected yeah. Yes, it's better late than never. 2016.
I can answer being sure. And yes, I feel you're correct no.
Okay.
Yeah, adia ya won for.
Yeah.
The patch of work no di 4 years ah. Akra no sha say kasa no. O kasa even enne me no kasa yi. Kasa bi obit ma correct me.
Sure.
But me more than 30 years.
Yeah.
It doesn't mean say wa won na wie no on correct bibia. 4 years no krompo very very young. Or say ye more near the build the agenda up. I didn't quite say cancer. Was a building up. Na ye na nya ho fa so. Me say obi nya ho fa so that. Me so be nya ho fa so.
2016. O party assemble akomo kan say ade ma omunya enkunimdia na eye huge. Since 92 eto aba na sa margin bi emma muda. 2016 year. A modern mo ya e mabru no e play. It ama the expectation for nipa obabe national youth organizer and prem especially this our party person breaking 8 no.
Yes.
Eso. Dear na betimi aye ama part no aye sa miracle na mutimi in 2016. Vis-a-vis challenges amanfo e complaining ene. So nya konya be national youth organizer.
Me pacho adaroma. Me musa challenges ni be omo complain.
Okay.
Pacho challenges de hin.
Omo ka unemployment. Omo ka akwan eni ahokyere ya ba yenso. Aban penifo bo hye bi omo hye se yetisika so enso come di yan. Ya omba still scanner say that's what you na say ya sorry so.
Me pacho adaroma. So kaye no aban penifo no eba nom si economy no so collapse. And it was true.
Okay.
So you buy no say CCC pillars of our economy.
Okay.
No correct 2016 said the Mebuno is a boy party no. I cannot deny that fact. Mebuno na meka ho na me deputy regional youth organizer. Many Mebuno ye dwuma emiet me a lot of seats my party no. And you buy and said na the city no na or say ya buy CCC pillars even though what me implement a free SHS no. Na yenim say a serious constraint on a budget but no say ye yes ade no yen hwe pillars na HCC no ye Ghana identification card.
Okay. Ghana card.
Ghana card.
Okay.
banking cleanup sector. Sa nyema mienu we. What the become free SHS on. Now small team say foundation of our economy no and a normal building. Me patcho ye sha se na nam dam koku for say introduce tourism. Okay.
Yeah.
The year of return. Me patcho ye nhwe na ebadin na nyeme pick it up, nyeme pick it up. The year of return on kwa akrompo no mfa so a yenya 2019 na ya ademu. Enye COVID ebebo mu 2020 enka memiji sese no enka gap no kese pa enka de etiso no sika na etiso no kasa nyema we aba me hu sika na etiso nche se wotiso nti just sika na di o da bi.
Okay.
Opportunities wo ho yebe bie ni amo bie nya bi na sika ba manfo sem opportunities ni bi the year of return introduce yi. Banking cleanup sector ebaye no say be a bank no ma loan na enye dene bebre because no na bank no wo sika bebre obetima ma loan ama dia hye wadwumem na opportunities a omode be mayen e do ka say yeti sika so. Yes, opportunities no COVID baye na nado dam kokufu ado esa be ka say yes send the COVID next year no mo mayen fa economy in protect yen kwa na ye de economy no emunyeme na protect ye nkwa ye betime de ye nkwa no abehwehwe economy no ni ahyehye niye. It means ohun say de COVID ebeye no ahokyere beba ye manyimu empempe mu apa aba me ba chemai. Yes, omampanyi a owani so ade hunu no omampanyi a wonim de wo ye no ebaye no se eye meme ne wo asede se ye kan bom na ye sa hyehye economy no se ye emu ye hu ne de o say yen economy na yen omde sacrifice ma ye nkwa no o say ko hyehye economy ni ye eno no say me na omienu ye eti se wo te na so ye wo part aboa wa cheche ma Ghana ma hu say sa economy ye di protect your lives.
Okay.
Eti omo enkamom na yenye dwumaden yensa amfa hyehye economy no meka se wiase mu nya diana meboa meka se Ghana nya diana meboa ba eye meme no wase de say ye be hyehye Ghana economy ni ye because ye the boy ho ban during the time of COVID.
Prepare way to mama the magic here obey ama youth net me aka ochi ama break the 8 betwa mo ba say yes awa kwa baby emfa emra bedwam dwumadie so Pope enamda so ene ne edi ekwo Michael Osei Boate ene wo paper ne so arbe kwa akoto abano
pacho ane
we number so bala paper ne so
me number 4 a o mka na ase ho.
Okay, asam so me 4
yeah 4 okay the 2000 the year 2000 magic of
ase ho no.
Yes ase ho
it ase ho na mo sa edi
ase ho
Pope magic be na adi gu akwamudi ama NPP ama mabunu atawochi to break the 8.
Me that's bebre magic a edi ebegu akwan mu no eye meme no mienu ye bedwen ho meme gidi se de ka no mabunu no amkeka na akofom ye eniema nkete bi a ekoso ohune se yes, your government no policies are they ban a youthful, a beneficiary, but they are not benefiting from it.
Okay.
Some of them are not benefiting. Ojeneka kakrebi. If we say, be what I want to. No, ya be advert or radio, ya be advert or TV, ya ba do ma bekasa. But me bunu ye pechini. Eti yenya time en radio, en TV ni na. Social media, yes. Yenuanu ma omo kura kese no omutimi nya phone e de free social media e ho adwuma ba yenuanu mo kuro nketua mu no network company no akope social media asematre.
Okay.
E kwan be ne be fa so as national youth organizer wo beton o government rate policies no ama mabu na omunya access to them. BBT say you start eba.
Okay.
You start eba e kwan be na be fa so akofom wonu nuanu maka bom akofom akoye education on you start on e dia bo aban no na onuanom so benefit eno na ehwe.
Okay.
Oko you start yenua kofi ofusu. Yes, we yenua ni year campaign 2016 yenua campaign 2020 ba baby otie no enye ye nko anti no ote ma NPP ni CPP ni PPP ni ene omo maka no but say oye wo nua nso ni ntino wo betimi abom at any point in time amana bio na wona ka asumsem
okay
eno no say wo national youth organizer okọ nanim eko sere e de bre party ma omo boy 2016 omo boy 2020 na omo nso hu ne say bo sha ye show mo no abem
ne wo kan de say NPP to me break the 8 mabunu no under your leadership no omo mfa saa wo yehia ne omo namu no
me pa cho mabunu no jaye ni say aban no hihye bebe nnan se mabunu no eye 15 million na me nka se beso 15 million na
okay
ba me 15 million na onu omu na adwen ho se ade a abani se ne nche no na omo kire se de nche na emu 5 million enya omo make na afa ne se omenya 5 million enya nde na ye se ne dachi bi adade chi a omo so de beba
sure
enti eye eduru ba bi a recognition ekwan ya ye befa so a ye de saa nyama no so aba no ebe ma wo mo eno so hia enti ebe mo menya rehemu
okay
ewo process ni mu eno na ye hwe
Pope Okamreni chire NPP mabunu ade ba akunti a onyina so emfa di brekese saa wo party nim enhawsa
me da se bebre menua de meka chire NPP mabunu no se no kre yaban abaye nyuma bebre nanso ye hu ne se ye mu bebre no nso enya bi Michael Oseboatin menemo na wo fom menemo na asom ye na ya campaign ye ene di aban ne baye adwumra o se yeso ye de nketenketi wo mu o se ye pe obi a obekasa amaye na wakoje abre aban no wo ho a ne de ne se obesom ye no asom ye by why na edi enim Michael Oseboatin ma ye bida enya fi na mebeye my deputy regional youth organizer da my regional youth organizer da my regional organizer ni na suma mesum yen mabunu no meti mabunu na se na mabunu motimase me ankasa so me babunu na me megidi se de me ne mo ye 2016 emi ewe ne ma NPP de me kam ho mo ye ye ma NPP in 2020 ye we ne ye no me megidi se yenim mo hia de yenim de nkoyi o mafam momma yakonya no na yensom mo ye se de be ya de mo hwehwe no anyini na akropa onsa beka efa kese no na wo ne say yes party na okun homa no enso aboa wo if it's a member di say o baye no na so hia mwa bi ntina ode ho be dom party okay madaroma Michael Oseboatin me wase ho number 4 momwa me na yenwene na yemfa nsom mu ye yemfa nsom wa hombrase mu ne nsom wani dimu na membeji di se eno ene beboa ama NPP etimi abreaki the 8 na ye kan 2024 elections enye mresa ehia obi a waye bida obetimi aje enye afi na ye koso obi ahwe ba obi a me se waye bida nti na ye se number 4 ase ho onko auto a yemwene wadaroma kache wunua ono so tubi na mo ntingina mu na mo nye campaign ma Michael Oseboatin na ono netimu su ase a obetimi aboa me da ase
Badase bebre Michael Oseboatin AK Pope Pre National Youth Organizer de bre wo NPP amuyo komune ne ono sene no edi enkomon happy birthday enko emfa Emma Felicia Odro Adase ya working Tampo College of Health nyame onhira na onyo kesepa kopense obeye kese and obuso afo nyina so mo wish you happy birthday. Then happy birthday to Faustina AC Labi, George Opare Ado, Emame, and Mammy, and then when you're 70 years, Nyakupon talk so, Enshie, Enshirani, Enfie, Hodin, a womb, and fa emu so, Dani da Enyina, Oba, George Opare Ado say, Deniso, Nyawaye, Ediamane, Ninuanum, Enka Enyinam. Happy birthday once again to Norbert Ni Noe Quadison. Also, Nyami Enshira Sende, and so also birthday. Yami enhira wonso pa na onye wonso wo kese pa kopemse obeye kese pa mo ese da biada oti Adom TV wona wo hwe Adom TV Miss Nate Christiana ya wo Makola shopping mall onso ene eyewa woda onso yema happy birthday ba abro wase me kanjo so wo chiawo
bejino so pa
bro
that's it
and I say come production team sound light cameraman MCR production obi obo ama dwumedie ewie payo ya kono ye kama mo nyina master Dominic Esiebua producer extraordinary nyame enhira ye pa medede akwasi insi ochina yɛpɛ sɛ deɛ hyia